Why underscore accessory underscore rules underscore matter underscore after underscore 60 more than 65% of people over 60 use at least 3 accessories daily. And the wrong choices can quietly increase fall and injury risk. This is important because heavy bags, loose jewelry, or unstable shoes can pull your balance off without you noticing. So we need clear and simple rules that protect your body first and style second. You will learn how to pick items. Primary underscore safety underscore rule underscore balance underscore and underscore weight. Many seniors report that even a 1 kilogram shift in weight on one side of the body can change balance, which is why the first accessory rule is always about symmetry and lightness. This matters because a heavy shoulder bag or bunch of keys on one side forces your spine and hips to compensate, so you reduce risk by spreading weight evenly, using crossbody straps, and shoes underscore as underscore accessories underscore safety underscore first. About 1 in 3 falls in adults over 65 is linked to unsafe footwear, which is why shoes are the most critical accessory you own. This is important because slippery soles, high heels, and loose back straps increase the chance of tripping, so you should look for rubber or textured soles, low wide heels under 3 centimeters, and a firm heel counter that holds your foot. To apply, jewelry underscore rings underscore bracelets underscore necklaces. Emergency departments report thousands of ring and bracelet related injuries each year, especially when fingers swell or jewelry catches on door handles. This matters because tight rings can block circulation and loose bracelets or long necklaces can get hooked on railings or walkers, so you should keep jewelry smooth, short, and easy to remove. You can test this by medical underscore id underscore bracelet underscore necklace. In many countries, paramedics say that a visible medical ID helps them make safer decisions in the first 5 minutes of treatment. This is important because conditions like diabetes, heart disease, blood thinners, or severe allergies change what medicines or procedures are safe, so your accessory should clearly display your main condition and an emergency phone number. The glasses underscore and underscore sunglasses underscore management. More than 70% of adults over 60 wear glasses, yet many lose or scratch them several times a year, which costs money and strains the eyes. This matters because clear vision reduces falls and headaches, so you should treat glasses like essential accessories by using a neck strap, a hard case, and having at least one backup pair. In daily life, keep one pair near your hearing underscore aids underscore and underscore ear underscore accessories. Hearing loss affects more than 430 million people worldwide, and many seniors mix hearing aids with earrings in ways that cause discomfort or feedback noise. This is important because crowded or heavy earrings can press against the device and irritate the skin, so you should keep ear jewelry small, light, and made from hypoallergenic materials when wearing aids. For more bags underscore wallets underscore and underscore anti underscore theft underscore rules underscore quiz. In some cities, pickpocket reports in busy areas rise by over 20% during holidays, and seniors are often targeted because bags and wallets are easy to grab. This matters because a stolen bag can also mean lost medication, keys, and ID cards, so choosing crossbody bags that rest in front of the body and slim front pocket wallets reduces both theft and shoulder. Anti underscore theft underscore answer underscore and underscore bag underscore setup. If you answered that a front pants pocket or inside zip pocket of a crossbody bag is safer, you are already following the main anti-theft rule that professionals suggest. This is important because front pockets are harder to reach without you noticing, and a bag worn across the chest with zippers closed limits quick grabs, so you should place money, keys, and cards in the canes underscore walkers underscore and underscore mobility underscore aids. More than 20% of adults over 65 use a cane or walker, yet many choose models that are either too tall, too short, or decorated in ways that hide them from others. This matters because correct height, grippy handles, and visible colors make these tools safer and more comfortable, so you should stand upright and set the handle at about wrist level with your arm relaxed. Belts underscore scarves underscore hats underscore function underscore first. Doctors see many older adults with stomach or back discomfort made worse by tight belts and heavy scarves worn for long periods over 4 hours. This matters because anything that restricts your breathing or digestion reduces your energy, so belts should sit comfortably at the natural waist or slightly below the belly without pinching, while scarves and hats should be light. Daily accessory routine and layout. Adults make roughly 35,000 small decisions a day, and unnecessary choices about accessories can add stress and confusion, especially in the early morning. This is important because tired decision making can lead to forgetting crucial items like glasses or a medical ID, so you should create a tiny routine with a fixed tray, hooks, or drawer where your daily accessories. Summary key rules. By now we have covered at least 8 core accessory areas, from shoes and jewelry to bags and medical aids, and each follows the same safety first logic. This matters because remembering a few simple rules like keep it light, keep it visible, keep it balanced, and keep it easy to remove can help you check any new item you consider buying. To use this summary, whenever you see an accessory, FAQ arthritis thin skin allergies. Around 18% of adults live with arthritis, and many notice that traditional metal or tight strap accessories cause pain or skin marks within 30 minutes. This is important because joint stiffness and thin skin increase the risk of cuts and pressure sores, so softer materials like silicone watch bands, fabric straps, and magnetic closures are often safer than buckles or FAQ how many accessories and minimalism. Stylists working with clients over 60 often suggest keeping daily accessories to about 3 key items, which reduces both visual clutter and handling time. This matters because too many objects increase the chance that something will snag, fall, or be forgotten, so you can focus on essentials like a watch, medical ID, and one personal piece such as a simple ring or final accessory safety checklist. Before going out, a quick 5-step mental check can prevent many common problems with senior accessories and takes less than 60 seconds once you practice it a few times. This matters because reviewing weight, visibility, comfort, medical information, and security together gives you confidence, so you ask yourself whether shoes grip well, jewelry sits flat, medical ID is on,